My name's Kevin Johnson. I work for Merseyside Fire and Rescue Service, and we've been nominated for the Outstanding Agency Award for Older People. Since 1999, we've been delivering home fire safety checks to the residents of Merseyside, ensuring they get valuable fire safety advice and also free smoke alarms to give early warning of when there may be fire in the home, ensuring everyone's able to escape the property. As years have gone on, we've realised that older people are more susceptible to fires in the home and potentially fatal or serious injury. As such, we've dedicated a lot of our resources, especially operational crews, to delivering home fire safety checks to the over 65s across Merseyside. We deliver around 50,000 home fire safety checks a year, getting into many properties that many other agencies can't. As such, we've been able to engage with people and, where necessary, forward people onto other agencies for help. That's something that we may not be able to do. We've also realised that we do get over more thresholds than other agencies, and our work with public health and the National Health Service and CCGs has allowed us to look at different or even a more holistic home fire safety check, which is now turning into a safe and well visit, which, in addition to fire safety advice and smoke alarms, we're also looking at other aspects such as falls prevention, bowel cancer screening, smoking cessation and alcohol reduction. We often go into many houses where people fall in the environment, and 80% of falls is down to the environment rather than the person. Whilst we're in the property, there's many things we can do to ensure that people either don't fall in the first place or don't go back to the environment of where they fell initially. Also, bowel cancer screening. Merseyside has one of the highest rates of bowel cancer, but unfortunately the lowest return of the screening kits. Due to our partnership with NHS, we are able to go into these properties and, through brief intervention training, advise people of the advantages of returning their kit and how it could save their life with an early intervention. Also, smoking cessation. Smoking is the biggest killer and biggest cause of fires, not only in Merseyside but across the UK. And as such, for people to smoke safely, or even better, stop smoking, would help us not to go to as many fires. These holistic home fire safety checks will make over 65 safer in their home and ensure that we reduce the fatalities across Merseyside, ensuring everyone has a working smoke alarm, which gives the earliest indication to ensure that people can escape the property. On the 30th of September, Merseyside Fire and Rescue Service will be contributing to Older Persons Day, whereby all of our fire engines, our prevention staff and also our support staff based at headquarters will all be going out delivering home fire safety checks for people aged over 65 years. We will ensure that everybody has a working smoke alarm, has valuable life-saving advice and an escape plan. Last year we visited over 1,000 homes in one day, and we identified nearly 10% of people who were high risk who received further interventions from the fire service. Last year in Merseyside, out of our 16 fire fatalities, 14 involved people who were aged over 65 and either lived alone or had a carer coming in at some stage during the day or the week. This year, we've brought in our new strategy which focuses on over 65s, and at this moment in time, we still have 0 fire deaths in Merseyside, which is something we are hoping to carry over into the new year. We feel that the work we are doing is really contributing to the reduction in serious injury and fatalities in Merseyside, and we will carry on doing this, working with partners, ensuring that the people in Merseyside are safe from fire in the home.